mag-unboxing tayo ha. This is UGREEN power bank unboxing. UGREEN power, i-open ako ha. This is 22.5 watts, safe charging, multiple protection, flight approved, ideal for air travel. So this is ideal for air travel. So we need to open. Let's open. Open natin. Oh, this is sticky kayo siya. Okay, I bought this one from Amazon. It's around 20 pounds something. Yeah, this one. So this is empty. Yeah, this is empty. This empty. So let's put that one set aside. So ito na siya. Mauna na siya. UGREEN. So it's included this one. Sama na siya. Okay. Instructions is all the instruction one. So it's empty. All the instruction. So this one, this is can you read it? To be fast charging power bank. This is fast charging, suitable for. Let's read the instruction. You can charge Android or iPhone. Yeah, this is multi-purpose charging, first time use. So before you place full charge apart using a 20 watts or higher charger recommended. Okay, let's open. Excuse me. Let's open this one. But this one pa, yeah, this open, atong open. So 20,000 mAh. I don't know how to read this one. Okay, so now, yeah. This is sticker? No, yeah, this is sticker, yeah. Okay, let's open. Where's the open? This one? I think this side. This is the open. Open? I think this is. I need to try this one because. So I need to charge this one. I think this one is empty. So I need to charge it. We'll charge this one first. Two-way fast charging power bank. Check is empty or no? Let's check. Let's push more. Yeah, this is empty. So I need to charge it. So hold on, I need to try this. Anyway, I checked this one is still 47%. So anyway, I need to try this one to charge in my phone. Yeah, try to charge. It's 47%. The percentage is here. 47. This brand is UGREEN. UGREEN. Still 47%. So I try to charge here in my phone. Yeah, it's charging. Yeah, 56%. Yeah, it's charging. Can you look at it? Yeah, it's charging. Yeah, so it's fine. It's nice. It's nice. It's not heavy, and you can see the percentage in here, 47. So it's nice. It's this USB-C, and look at the. Everything is here. Yeah, and this one is 20 mAh two-way fast charging power bank. Yeah, so I bought this one because I like the brand, the UGREEN. UGREEN is better. I'm thinking this is the switch, so this one is not yet working. So it's fine. Yeah, so if you want to buy like that, UGREEN, this is available in Amazon. This is flight approved. flight approved 20W. I don't know how to read this one. 22 point for iOS, 20 PD for iOS, for Android 22.5 for Android, and safe charging, multiple protection, flight approved, ideal for air travel. So this is nice. USB-C input, output, USB-A 1, battery type, lithium battery. So yes, this is UGREEN brand. So anyway, if you want to buy like this, so yeah, it's not heavy. It's not really heavy. It's the same. I think this is more heavier than my phone. My phone is not. Yeah, it's more heavier, but it's worth it. You can put this one in your backpack and ready to travel. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is nice one. It's worth it. Worth it the price. So yeah, you can have the. I bought this one for around 20 pounds something. It's almost like $25 for US dollar. Yeah, $25. Yeah, it's nice. But I think like yeah, it's more heavier. Silver, and it's plastic. I think it's hard plastic. Yeah, more heavier. 20,000 mAh. Yeah. So it's good. You know why I bought this one? Because it's ideal for air travel. So I can bring this one in my hand carry bag. So pwede na siya. So okay siya kaayo. Mao na siya akong gipalit. So that's it, my review. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you click like and subscribe. Don't forget to click like and subscribe if possible for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice new year for all of us. So it's nice, this one, because 1 times USB C in and out, and 2 times USB A out. So it's better, this one is good quality. Yeah, I will check the price in Amazon. I forgot because I bought this one from Amazon. So I will show you Amazon atong ko anon pila siya sa Amazon, kay nalimot ko. I don't have internet. I need to check this one. The second, I need to. Okay, in Amazon, then yeah, this is in Amazon. This is $29.99. This is 29. Oh, okay. $29.99, including delivery. This 19 is not here. Yeah, I paid $29.99, so including the delivery fee. So I bought this one Saturday, then it was delivered Sunday. So 1 day delivery. Sorry, 1 day delivery.